Hey guys, this is Remy and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something new for you, and that is a very simple way to create marble nails. As marble nails are very trendy these days, so yeah, I'm here making this for you guys so you can make it for yourself as well. Now you'll need a black polish, a white polish and a sheer white as well, a clear polish and some brushes. You can get these kind of brushes from any stationery shop, and also polish remover or acetone, whatever you have. Start off with a white nail polish on your nail. I've already done the rest of my nails while my camera battery was getting charged. Now first take a container or even a painting palette would work and put some black polish in it. Then using a thin brush, I'm adding some polish remover in it to dilute it. Once it's diluted enough, start painting random lines on your nail, holding the brush very light-handedly. As marble has imperfect lines on it, you can be imperfect too. Just like me, and keep drawing the lines until you're happy with how it looks. Then take some polish remover in a brush like this and just smudge the black lines to create a watercolor look. So it creates a smoky effect like marble has. Then I'm just adding fine lines over the smudged lines to create that marble look. Again, you guys don't have to be perfect, just draw the fine lines over it. I was literally shaking when I was doing it because I'm also not very used to drawing fine lines. Still, see, it came out really nice, so you don't have to be perfect. Now here I'm just adding few more lines to fill the space as I felt like the lines were not enough. Then doing the same thing with them like we did with our lines before, that is smudging them with acetone and then redrawing fine lines over it. Now usually marble have these thick lines randomly, so I'm just gonna do that too over our existing lines. Just paint thick lines at some places. Now you can finish off and apply clear polish right here and you can be done with it, or you can add a sheer white polish over the design to give that depth to the marble, so that it looks layered. And then redrawing some lines and finally applying a clear polish to seal the design, and you're done. I hope you like this design, guys. If you did, please don't forget to give it a fat thumbs up and share it with your friends so that they can do this on their nails as well, or maybe they can do on yours if they are good at it and if they feel like doing it. And yeah, subscribe for more fun videos coming soon, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.